Good morning, everyone. That song just gets me in the mood every single show. GM, everyone. Welcome back to another Market Mates episodes. It's so good to be back. I mean, there's a lot happening in the past 24 hours, Craig. So there's a lot to talk about today. We've got obviously the market rallying a bit. We've got Iran shutting the strait. So that's going to impact the world. Okay, we've seen fuel prices go up. We've seen so much happening across the world. We had ZEET packs. I woke up at midnight and minted those bad boys. So there's a lot happening around the world. GM to Kaiser, GM to Brad in the chat, GM to everyone else who's tuning in. Craig, how are you today, mate? How are you?
I'm good, dude. Just quickly trying to click everything to get it started, all the streams. But no, I'm good, dude. I did not wake up for the ZEET rip. My family, my son.
Rip you, bro. Rip you.
Yeah, I missed out on a legendary. But now my son's off school today. He's sick. My wife's sick. I'm getting sick. So I was like, I'm not messing with my sleep. So GG to those who minted the legendaries. I just got an extra rare pack just then, actually. So I got a couple of rares. So that's good. But yeah, we can.
How'd you manage that? From the spins?
Yeah, just then. Which was nice. So I got another rare pack. Good to see the timeline talking about something else other than price. But now GG, everyone, welcome to the show. We can we'll have a look at the markets, and then maybe more towards the end we'll rip open some packs. I know Greeny's got a couple of legendary packs. How many legendaries did you get? 1, 2, 3?
10, bro. I got 10, bro. I went. Yeah, I got 10 rare and 10 legendary. Yeah, I went hard.
No wonder there were none left for anyone else, man. Thanks, Greeny.
Yeah, bro.
Thanks,
no, well, I saw them minting last night, and they were minting faster than oh, dude, thumbnail can't be bigger than 1 megabyte on. Dude, that's so silly.
That got me yesterday. I was raging because I had your thumbnail you made. It was perfect. I was like, yes. Now we're going to dominate abstract with beautiful thumbnails, but I can only put 17 pixels up.
But I don't know if I'm live either. Dude, it's being weird. Like, is it? You're not. It's not working. Yeah, it's not working properly.
Nah, I have to put a URL in. It's like, why?
Yeah, because it wants to link you to stream source. Paste your X post or Twitch channel URL. I mean, I don't want it to double up on my Twitch. Like, that would just not be good. But I mean, whatever. I'll try and I'll see if this works. All right.
Some fury.
You must have a Twitch. Okay, they've changed it literally overnight. Anyways, I don't want to go live on other platforms. Just let me live on bloody abstract only. Okay. Because you don't allow me to stream on YouTube and stuff anyway. Anyways, GM to everyone, we'll be jumping straight into it today, Craig. As always, guys, we just partnered with BTCC. Check it out down below. You can trade crypto, no KYC, no VPN, worldwide, 40% discounted fees compared to other platforms. Huge. It's in the description. Highly recommend it. If you're in the US, you can trade on it. That's why we love it. Massive shout out to them for partnering with us. All right, now we're going to move straight into pretty much breaking news, Craig, this morning. I've got so many tabs open, guys. Just apologize for the
chaos, bro. Chaos.
For the I'm just gonna get the right one open. There we go. I've got like 50 tabs open. All right, here we go. So big news, literally, as of only a couple hours ago. Just in Iran officially closes the Strait of Hormuz and warns any ship passing through will be set on fire. Roughly 20% of the world's oil supply passes through this strategic waterway. This is pretty big news, Craig, because it's going to impact global supplies of energy, of oil, of fuel, of food resources in that region. Gas goes through that region. I saw in the news last night. This is huge for the world, indirectly and directly. What are your thoughts here?
My thoughts are, I'm lucky I filled up my car on the weekend, man. Filled up my tank.
Same, bro. Same.
I knew this.
The small wins in life, baby. It's the small wins in life, eh?
Yeah, $1.90. Let's go. Yeah, bro, that's so funny. I filled up. But no, I mean, you and I spoke on the show yesterday actually about this and said they were alluding to, or this could happen, and I guess it's happened, right?
Yeah.
A bit niggly, isn't it? All this stuff. Hopefully everyone over there is okay. Obviously, oil prices. We can have a look at the oil prices actually on Hyperliquid or something and see what have they spiked?
Yeah. It did dump a little bit yesterday. I'll try and pull it up. I will try and pull it up shortly.
So I know yesterday we looked at it. We were looking at it live on stream, and when the markets went live, it dumped. Yeah, which is interesting. And I bet you it's pumped now off that dump. Although I never say bet, you'll probably lose, but. Markets
it's actually been steady.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I stand corrected.
These are futures too, just for those people that are watching. These are futures. Okay. future.
Gotcha. Okay, nothing dramatic yet, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone who tried to long that probably got a bit wrecked.
Yeah, it looks like it. So, I mean, like, interestingly, like, I would have thought that we would have seen more of a rally, but we haven't quite seen a rally. We've seen energy ETFs and stocks do really well recently, which I actually bought some energy stocks a few weeks ago because I was like, well, hold on a minute. Like, energy seems so finite at the moment. It's definitely where we're heading in the future. So, yeah, man. It's interesting time. It is a very interesting time to the trade markets. It's a very interesting time to think about, well, what really is the focus of, like, where is the world going? AI, it's obviously been huge more recently with Claude and with OpenClaw and all of that, and the war against ChatGPT. Like, I don't know, man. What's the trade? Is it still silver and gold? Because they also saw a correction over the past 24 hours. I mean, if we have a quick look here on gold, so gold's pretty much break even in the past 24 hours. Pretty much hasn't done anything. Silver, my silver trade is still live, but where's silver? There is. But did correct. Big dump off yesterday. So nearly hit my stop loss, but didn't quite get there. So I sold a little bit at the top there. I'd love to see it. But yeah, Craig, what is the trade of 2026? Is it just sit on your hands and trade the ranges on Bitcoin, mate? Just like this bad boy right here. Like, interesting. This geopolitical tension is. I think it's going to have effects that we don't even realize yet. And I think those effects are going to take place in the coming weeks and months. And they're going to be slowly drip dried into the economy, into affordability, into the cost of living crisis, probably later this year. I mean, everyone's like, oh, Australia's such a safe country to live in because you're nowhere close to any of this. Well, yeah, it's bloody damn true. But it's also, it impacts our imports, our exports, our cost of living, our affordability. They skyrocket when there's geopolitical tension across the rest of the world because we are so far away from everywhere else, right? And that's what a lot of people don't understand. So, yeah, what's your take here at this point in time?
Oh, it's hard to predict. I sort of find, in my very limited experience in trading during times of war, which are quite limited because I haven't been trading longer than 5 years, and we actually haven't gone to war a lot of times during that. We've had uneasy. Trump's actually been reasonable. Shout out to Trump in a way that we haven't gone to a lot of war under Trump. Now I guess it's changed this term.
Yeah.
But it's been the world's been semi-settled and now it's getting uneasy. So like you said, for Australia in particular, we live on a big island. So, you know, if we're heavy on imports for some of our goods, which unfortunately we've become reliant on China and other countries because we wanted to sell all our stuff, which is another chat altogether, and I can rant, but I won't. Now we pay the price of that for getting cheap imports over the years, and we become reliant on them. Now with fuel prices going up and, you know, these sort of tensions, we're going to probably pay the price for it. In saying that, crypto copped a bid, man. So fight to flight, man. Digital gold, baby. We're back.
We are back, baby. We are back.
Actually, do you know who's going to be the most excited about these pumps, bro?
Who?
Eli.
Dude, he already hit us up in the DM.
I know.
He hit us up this morning saying Pengu's bottom, it's going to all-time highs. And I was like, oh my God, bro.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know what to say back. I didn't want to break his heart.
I don't think I replied actually either. Oopsie.
I haven't. Sorry. No, nice to see crypto cop a bid. I mean, it's sort of heading towards the top of that range, isn't it? So
yeah.
We're not out of the woods yet. But if we break above that range here, I think it sits at about 70K. 70 to 74 for me is important. 70 and 74. So we've got, look, we're close. We're close to the top of the range. Whether we break below and just stay in the range, that's probably my guess. But yeah, I'm open to either scenario. If we break above 70, have a daily close above and continue higher, as you can see with that downward resistance Granny's got there, that would put us at about, we still have to get above about 76, 78 as well. But I mean, hey, it's nice to see green, dude. I've got green lights in the background, so I'm in a, you know, it's nice to see. But it's one of those things, you know, at the top of that range, we're going to get everyone saying all the bears are wrong, and at the bottom of the range, everyone's going to say the bulls are wrong, and it's just going to be this 10K range Bitcoin sitting in where it's kind of like death by a thousand cuts emotionally, actually, for those who aren't really watching the chart or perhaps don't appreciate what being range bound means. So probably at the moment, probably people are like, yes, this is it. I'm not saying it's not it. It's I'm just saying the same as when we're at the bottom. Keep calm. Just keep calm. Like, I don't think, put it this way, I don't think there's any reason to get the champagne out yet, man.
No, here's a contrarian to your bullish bias here. I think this will be a sweep of liquidity, of all of this liquidity here, all of this liquidity that's built up here. And I think something like this, we will sweep, we'll have a distribution. All people will start piling into longs here. People will start rejoicing. People will start calling for 80K and whatnot, but we'll sweep this and then we'll come back and probably trade back below 60K soon. And that's how bear markets work. The trend is your friend. We're in complacency bounces. Liquidity is still quite low. Opportunity is still quite low. And I think we have a little bit of a road ahead of us before we do start to see a bit of a rally longer term, Craig. It says you got 52 viewers on Abstract, mate, because of the X integration. So I love to see it, bro. Love to see it, bro. Love to see it. I've got 133 apparently, so I'm trumping. Let's go. Yeah, love to see it. Love to see it. Here we go. Yeah, 133. But I just screenshotted I zoomed in a bit, or I zoomed it out, then screenshot it. It worked. Yeah.
It actually looks nice with the thumbnails, bro. That looks way better than the old ones.
Oh, it looks way better than all this garbage. Like,
this garbage. Yeah, so, I think I'm on these somewhere. It's blue.
You don't even have one right now, as you can see.
Perfect.
Now, obviously, the indirect correlation with geopolitical tension, as we just said, not only affects Australia, but it affects worldwide fuel. So, as you can see, US gas prices have already risen to $3 for the first time since November last year in the US, Craig. I hazard a guess that we drove past the fuel literally yesterday, and it was up. Yeah, it was up to $2.20 or something like that, and it was down at $1.60 for the past like 6 months or so. So that's already a 30 to 40% hike. Because and it's not even like that we have a limited supply in our country right now. It's just, oh no, we're about to have a limited supply, so let's just hike our rates right now because everyone else is going to have to cop it, right? So you're going to have these indirect affordability issues that are definitely going to translate back to people being less risk on, Craig, and less sort of liquid in their portfolios looking for opportunities.
No, I agree. So I was just changing my thumbnail, Greenie. I've got the exact same one as you now, so hopefully it really confuses people. Shout out to Abstract. Hello, guys. Yeah, dude. Yeah, prices going up. I guess everything's going to go up for a little bit during war. I'm kind of hoping this kind of gets sorted pretty quickly. I mean, I haven't really dialed right in on the war. I've tried to kind of keep, as much as we speak about it on here, on my time off the show, I'm trying to focus on opportunities rather than just what's the word? Lamenting? Is that the word? Lamenting?
Probably not, but yeah.
Like wallowing in misery. I'm trying not to do that because doing that doesn't make you any money. And, you know, while things are really sad overseas, there's actually enough stuff to be sad about in your own backyard. So probably focus on your nearest and dearest. I know that sounds like, I'm not saying don't care about the world. I'm just saying as a human, there's only so much you can take, man. You know, and if you get upset about everything, it's never ending. But price wise, not great. And like you said, and like you're speaking about, aren't the servos or the gas stations? I think gas station you say in America, they love a price hike, don't they? Front running,
crazy, bro, crazy,
dirty dogs.
But the crypto market got a bit overnight. So we did see a bit of a relief rally across the board. I want to comment on the crypto fear and greed index because we actually haven't commented on that for quite a while. We did see Bitcoin up about 6.3%. I'm in a long from 63, which we showed you shortly before. Solana's up 6%. Ethereum really struggling. Oh, well, not really struggling, but it's also up 6%. What is this trash down here, mate? Like why is Cardano and Bitcoin Cash and whatnot, all of these still up here? I just don't get it. Anyways, what we did notice, and I've been talking about this for a long time, Craig, what are the hot narratives that are going to emerge in this current market and probably into 26 deeper and into 2027? And it's literally obvious right here. If you can't look at this chart or look at this screen and definitively go, okay, I can identify probably 2 or 3 categories that are going to thrive, then you're really going to miss the next trend that's already emerging, happening in real time. So The number one is obviously AI. Okay, so Near falls under that, virtuals fall under that. Okay, Bit Tensor falls under that as well. That's 3 AI narrative categories. Okay, the next one is DeFi or lending or that sort of liquidity side of it. Okay, you got Morpho, you got Athena, you got Aave. Okay, you got Jupiter on there. So that's literally 4 DeFi protocols or DeFi like liquidity backing trading platforms, DEXs, whatever you want to. So it all underpins DeFi. Then you've got memes. Okay, Pengu being the main meme that bounced really nicely as well. And then Dash, which is privacy. So there are literally your 4 categories that are probably going to merge. And I mean, Hyperliquid is the next one that I would say is, but Hyperliquid falls underneath the and it's already rallied more aggressively than the rest of these over the past week. So it's not up here in the past 24 hours, but Hyperliquid obviously falls under the category of DeFi, of trading, of a perps platform. So yeah, look, if you're not looking at those particular categories, you're probably not going to win in the next bull cycle. I'm calling that now. Literally, this will be those categories. DeFi and AI, they're your 2 categories that you really want to keep an eye on moving into the next bull market, without a doubt, Craig. Anything interests you here particularly? Or are you surprised by any of these moving up specifically?
No, you and I have been speaking about the topics we've spoken about of late that we think is going to be bullish into next bull run / this bear is those exact categories there. So it's nice to see the market tip its hand to us. Privacy, DeFi, and sorry, my brain's a bit effed, AI. Those 3, and Bitcoin. That's my bet going into the next bull. In saying that, I'm trying not to think too far ahead. So I'm even thinking during the bear, they might show a little bit of promise, which is happening in real time, bro. You said it. I mean, 37% in 7 days for Near protocol. Bro, in a bear market, that's amazing.
Well, I think to comment on this, a lot of people call it vaporware, and like, who knows? I haven't actually dived into it, but if it follows the narrative, it's going to pump. That's just how crypto hype, speculation, trends, on-chain liquidity works. Like, people aren't that intuitive, right?
You're not reading the white
narrative. Exactly. If it fits the narrative, people are going to buy it. Like, that's just how it works, right? So yeah, it is very interesting. I mean, if we look at the past week as well, Near, Hyperliquid, virtuals up here, Morpho again, the lending, Jupiter, some old dinosaur tokens. Uniswap obviously fits the DeFi narrative again. So really interesting curves up here as well. Another privacy, Monero up 11%. So it's pretty obvious once we get 1 more dip or 2 more dips, I'm probably pretty keen to allocate. Now I actually did, and I didn't even share this in GTG. I did buy a couple altcoins last night, Craig, when I woke up at midnight. I was feeling it. So I bought a bit of virtuals, I bought a bit of Near, and I bought a bit of Tau. So I bought just $1,000 of each. But yeah, I was like, you know what? They're down 80%. I do think they go lower. I definitely do that. And they could go lower by another 40, 50%. But I was like, you know what? Like, I'm happy to kind of allocate a little bit here. So I now own officially Bitcoin, Hyperliquid, and those 3 targets. I don't even know Pengu at the moment. So there you go.
Oh, Greeny's back. Actually, it's funny. I don't know if you saw the comment on the timeline. I'm sure you did. Someone was calling you out for, I say calling out. It was a pretty gentle call out. Basically, what it was you mentioning on stream you were waiting. Well, it was actually, I actually corrected them. It was me. They said, oh, you were waiting for $20 to $24 hype, but you bought it 26.
Yeah.
And I made a comment saying, look, he's DCAing. He's giving his ideal range, but he's obviously wanting to also accumulate now. It's not, sometimes people, I think, when I say I wanted at $20, I also possibly will accumulate higher than that.
Yeah.
As well. Because I'm not sure if I will definitely see that price. Like, that's just the bottom of the fib levels I'm calling there. So I just wanted to explain that to people because that viewer obviously got confused by that and was like, oh, Greeny, you're kind of contradicting yourself. Not so much, really. I didn't think. I don't know if you want to kind of explain your thought process on that.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think a big lesson here is 95% of the people on the timeline have no fucking idea what they're doing. I think that's the first thing I want to say. The second point here is often the loudest people are probably the wrong people. The third point being, trading is all about probability. Trading is all about being adaptive. Trading is all about like just stepping away, taking an analytical perspective, not being emotional, not being psychology based on your trades, not feeling FOMO, not feeling regret, not holding because you want to bounce back. Okay, taking profit. It's about really having a programmatic, systematic structure to your trading plan, trading process, trading style that makes it your consistency that allows you to compound your portfolio. So yeah, of course I'm not going to share that on Twitter, bro. Like GTG got the bloody alpha, and so they're in from $26, okay? Because that's what I do. It's like, sure, I give hints on the timeline, but I'm not selling myself there. Like, I'm a qualified teacher. I've been doing this shit 3 years full time. I made a lot of money because I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna not update every single update on the timeline or on YouTube. Okay, that's where the premium group becomes its own, right? And so the important part about trading and investing is you have to be adaptive. Okay, there's no one strategy wins all the time. Okay, the important lesson is, like, for me, I looked and I was like, well, hold on a minute. It's the 26. There's a weekly FVG there. I'm happy to accumulate at that level. It's going to grab this liquidity. Maybe it doesn't grab the weekly order block down at 22, 24 just yet. And arguably, it's probably going to give me a short setup soon, which I spoke about literally with GTG this morning as well. So I already shorted it before into that move. I then caught the spot move, and now I'm ready to short again. I'm making money here. So anybody not making money here is already inferior to this big dog over here. All right?
That's gonna get so much rage. I've got Wealth Creator giving a hard time on abstract. He's a legend. No, and I want you to.
Well, why? What's Wealth fucking saying? Eh?
All he said is tell Greeny he's effed. Was his comment?
Well, no, and if I get your Z cut, I'm dumping it for $0.
I wanted to just mention a couple of points. I'm probably going to forget the second now, but the first point you made was you're dealing with probabilities. So I want people today, the viewers, to understand, if you haven't understood this yet, is when traders like myself and yourself and any other trader out there has a thesis, one of the most important and powerful things for a trader to be able to do is recognize perhaps in that moment in time his thesis was incorrect and pivot. The reason is, you are reading the market, because basically the TA or these charts, it's basically like your newspaper. So I wake up in the morning and I check the paper. I don't check crypto news, bro. I'm not going to CoinDesk, CoinMarketCap, all those news places, which we do go and we talk about, but they're lagging indicators. The latest, this is going to be Wealth Creator, I reckon. I can see Greeny smirking. This is your newspaper here, the chart. This is a direct graphical reflection of what people's psychology is at that moment in time of that particular token at that price, right? And as a trader, every day when you open the newspaper, you've got to be willing to change your thesis. So my thesis, right, at 107K was, I think if we will attack 116 and perhaps get above it. I was wrong. We broke below. Then we tapped our head at 98 when I sold on stream with you. So I was incorrect in my thesis at that time. Did I get upset? Not really. Did I shed any tears? Not really. Could I have sold higher? Yeah, but I'm going to get trades wrong. I'm going to get them wrong, right? I'm going to get plenty wrong. I just have to get slightly more right, which I did, selling at 123. Greeny smirk tells it all, man. He's obviously going to smash.
No, hey, the commenters can say it for me. I don't even need to say it, bro. The commenters, look at this guy. Shout out to SP. I don't know who that is. I'm sorry. Like, I'm sure I know you in the GTG community, but I don't know your YouTube name. But you tell him, legend. 1 alpha, jump in GTG. Appreciate you, legend. Appreciate you, legend. Enclave's actually just jumped in GTG last week as well, so hopefully he's enjoying it.
Enclave?
Yeah, Enclaves did.
Yeah, dude. I've known Enclaves a long time. Bloody legend. No, so that's one point I wanted to make, is the best traders out there are trading probability. And when we broke below 107 or broke below 100K, the probability of my thesis being correct was near zero, I thought. Yeah. So I pivoted, right? And that's what you have to do. So I sometimes see people on the timeline saying things like, I'm going to give an example that's not true, but it fits this. Craig, you said we were going to go from 107 to all-time high. Yes, I did for a moment in time think that. I did. So did lots of the timeline, although that doesn't matter. I'll scrap what I just said. I thought that for a moment in time, and then probability shifted, and I had to change my trading. And that's just, guys, you got to get used to being wrong. And I've got no problem.
Trading, okay. Trading is all about being wrong. It's all about learning how you are going to be wrong and being okay that you will be wrong and accepting that you will be wrong and accepting that you will lose money in the journey of hopefully having a consistent plan that we build for you in the GTG community that allows you to win more, okay, than the losers that you are absolutely going to have in your crypto journey, in your trading journey, in your investment journey. So I think that in itself is I love X. Oh yeah, bro, legend. I love X's. Okay, I love it. Hey, yeah, appreciate you, man.
I love it.
I mean, Craig, I'm just gonna put this here again. Hey, go to the highlights reel on my Twitter. Okay, called the top in September, called the liquidation hours before it even happened. December local highs and 20, and now we're at 59K. So I mean, receipts are everywhere. But yeah, look, Hyperliquid. I'm happy with this. I mean, we're up. Yeah, I'm up about 20%. Oh no, wrong fib. Yeah, I'm up about 25% already. Spot. Keen to short. I am keen to short potentially if we do get up here and sweep this $34 level again. If we don't sweep it, then I just hold spot and we go higher, and then I watch the next level where I get interested at this liquidity levels higher. So, I mean, I don't think the market catches a bid that high. I think we're just going to grab liquidity higher, and then we're going to probably correct very much in the coming weeks. I think that's just how it plays out. That's how crypto tokens specifically work. We haven't commented on this for a while, Craig. It's actually really interesting how much fear there is in the market when you consider that price is up $10,000 off the low already. Are you surprised by how much fear still remains? Yet everyone's still euphoric, apparently, in the comments. Like, I'm a bit. It just shows me, like, all these people trying to call you out, all these people commenting absolute rubbish, all this euphoria, blah 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 blah. Yet fear is at like literal all-time lows. That shows me we have lower to go. That already tells me from a sentiment and a narrative perspective, we have lower to go, or we have longer to go at this level for a long time. I'm talking months.
Yeah, no, I agree. It doesn't really marry up with some of the timeline. Although I would say the timeline was pretty bloody bearish, man, when we broke close to 60K. All it tells me is humans are extremely emotional, and the emotions swing on a dime, bro. Like, whereas me, when we pump to 69, I feel the same at 60.
Yeah,
really, like no difference for me. Because I think we're going lower anyway, and we're at the top of a channel. So that's why. Look, I guess the message I've got for everybody here is I would encourage everyone to get into TA. And another message there. Why? Think about this for a second, Greeny. Why would we encourage everyone to get into TA? A couple of things. The more people that learn TA, the harder your and my job gets. Because if everyone starts using it, more people start winning.
You have no advantage or no... Exactly.
So, like, we're kind of giving you the keys to the city, and it actually kind of hurts us to do that. Like, it would be better if we said, no, trade on narrative and fundamentals, and on the sideline, we were doing TA. It gives you a massive advantage, and the longer you look at it, the more it tends to work. So if you're not using it, maybe consider just having a look and seeing how often it respects fib levels. It respects it more than you think, especially big caps. Memecoins a lot trickier, although it can be used, and you and I use it for about the last 3 years.
Yeah, it depends on the liquidity in the macro environment. Yeah,
but Bitcoin, man, it's pretty clean, bro. It's pretty clean. Obviously, it's probably not as clean as some equities and things like that. I've got mates in those, and they sort of laugh about Bitcoin. It's just in that Bitcoin's a bit messier. But that's going back to 21. So I don't know what the big dogs think about Bitcoin now. I dare say over time, the Bitcoin chart will get cleaner and cleaner and cleaner, and the volatility will get probably less and less and less. So that's the downside to adoption. But the upside is that TA just gets easier. Easy is probably not the right word, but you guys get what I'm saying. So back to your point, humans are emotional creatures, and that doesn't surprise me. Although, excuse me, still being at 10 fear, it's quite low, isn't it? Like,
it is quite low considering. Like, I mean, if we go back and have a look at, I mean, I don't know how much history is going to really reveal, but if you look here at the start of 2022, we dipped really aggressively in February, and this is when crypto started to dump in 2022. But we rallied all the way in March to 51, like to neutral. So we literally haven't really seen that. We had a bit of a relief rally in January. That was when we went to 97K, Craig, and I told you, hey, brother, this is probably your lower high.
I should probably clip that again, that clip.
You need to go, we need to find that clip of me saying, hey, Craig, why are you holding for an extra 5%, bro?
It's a really good lesson, bro. It is a really good lesson. And I think, and the other reason it's a good lesson is even if you've got a semi-experienced trader like me, and I say that very, like, loosely, guys, I don't think I'm the man by.
Okay, Craig's just Yeah, Craig's just he's gone mid clip. It's back. Oh, Craig, are you on your VPN or something, bro? Because it's horrendous. It's like
no, I turned it off. I don't know. My son home watching videos or what it might just be my internet. No, what I was going to say is there's always lessons to be learned, no matter how experienced you are. There's always lessons to be learned. You can get caught up. Like I said last time, fear and greed's a hell of a drug. Selling the top's hard because of greed, and buying bottom's hard because of fear. And it's the way we are as humans. And sometimes, and that's why a community like GTG is so valuable, because sometimes you just need a second opinion, or a third or fourth or fifth or sixth, how many it takes to get it into your head. Not saying all the opinions are always correct, but at least you can add them to your thesis. You can sit back, go, yeah, actually, that makes sense. You know, non-emotionally, if you sit back and think about it and go, yeah, that makes sense. And that's what I did. I listened to you and I went, yeah, it makes sense. So yeah, there's value in community. So no, just to talk about what you're speaking about there, I'm surprised we're in extreme fear. I still think we're breaking below 60, man. I'm just going to have to wait. And you spoke about this a little bit earlier. I think it's time-based capitulation. I just have to be patient. I mean, we're rejecting of 69.70 here anyway right now. Not to say, we've got the daily close in 27 minutes. We can see what we're doing then. I think we go lower. I might be wrong. Even if I'm wrong, I'll just buy higher, man. I'll buy higher. It's okay. We're a long way off all time, bro.
No. We got Craig. We have ample time, bro. Ample time to get it. Like ample time. Like we probably and then like it's not till June. Like I think Q2. I'm gonna say I said it before. I think Q3 is where we start to really show. Unless macroeconomics or black swan event or geopolitical war really does start World War III, like unless something like that really happens, then I think Q3 probably we're just so aggressive. Like this move down has been very aggressive compared to previous bear cycles. So I still target this level in the 50s. Still target this level in the 50s. Potentially we go down to the 40s and take out this liquidity down here. I literally set up some buy orders down in this region on leverage and in spot. If in case it hits when I'm not looking, and I get to capture a pretty aggressive sell-off. So I think we're going to be here for a bit. I think we'll range for a bit, and then we'll probably correct one more time. And I think that's when I'm pretty keen to go, you know what? If we dip from here, I'll just have to find money elsewhere. If we don't dip from here, then sick. I've literally caught the bottom and DCA'd around an efficient time. My average buy is 65, so I'm up already 3,000 on that position. Well, not for one Bitcoin, but 3,000 position in percentage, whatever that is, like 7-8%, something like that. Yep. So, I mean, really interesting, Craig. Crypto's 24/7 perps turn into emergency hedge as Middle East tensions continue to rise. Derivative platforms continue to dominate, Craig, with oil up 5%, gold and silver gaining, which we spoke about yesterday. But 24 volume exceeding US 400 million. That's a lot of money. That's like 600 million Australian. With crypto rebounding over 2%. I mean, it just is so crazy. I mean, it's crazy just how revolutionary crypto has actually been for markets, because now you can trade stocks, metals 24/7, and you can do it on chain. Like that is just unbelievable. Like, if you went back 5 years ago, we wouldn't even dream of this conversation. So it's just crazy. Like, for those people who are new to crypto, you have no idea how far we have actually legitimately come. It's crazy.
I got a bit of goosebumps. I got excited. I remember in 21 / was it 22? It was one of those years when Binance allowed you to trade Tesla on chain, the stock. You couldn't do it in Australia though, because I was trying to buy Tesla. I'm glad I didn't. It was the tippy top, man. Binance is classic, launches at the top. But I was trying to buy it. And I remember back in 21, when that happened, people losing their minds, going, oh my God, I can trade a stock and the market's not going to close. It was phenomenal, dude. And now I guess that's one of the reasons I'm so I'm so bullish. I'm so hyper on hype is, and I gave a reason yesterday when I was looking up the oil prices, I was actually semi-forced to go to their platform to do it. Bro. Yeah. So if you're forced to go there, that's solving a real world problem. I wanted to trade, or I want to look up the price of oil. You couldn't trade it in traditional markets because they closed on Friday. So I think 27th was the last day you could trade it. And then the war was the 28th. So anyone who wanted to capture or try and trade that volatile time, traditional markets couldn't, but on chain you could. Wow, dude, this is where the world's moving. Like this is where we're going. And either you get on the bus or you don't, but you're going to get left behind, man. And I think this is happening in real time. It's no longer I think, it is. Traditional markets will all move this way, I believe. Because why wouldn't they want to capture more money?
It's insane, bro. Like it is literally, Hyperliquid is so ahead of its time, and we're just seeing that. Like, because you got to remember too. I mean, Jupiter has had perps for a long time on their platform, but it was always very steep. It was very shitty to use. Liquidity was always like, I wasn't really a fan of it. Hyperliquid just came out and smashed them out of the park, bro. Like they really did. So, I mean, like HRP3 is a huge hit. So that's just the updates to the platform. It allows you to trade silver, gold, S&P 500, Google. I could literally pull up the Google chart right now if I wanted to, and take a position if I wanted to here on 10x leverage. So yeah, it's crazy. So imagine what HRP4 is going to be, where you can trade like crazier things. So like lower cap stocks or more metals or like more currencies. No, well, I think that would be their plan, right? Like I can't wait to trade currencies on this. So AED versus USD. True. It would be a great hedge, bro, rather than having to set up a bloody brokerage with all the bloody fees, the management of the capital gains, all that shit. Like this is within the business, this is on the realm of crypto. So I could trade as a hedge. I could literally, just like take a position on AUD versus USD and I'm fine. Then I don't mind trading USD on chain again because I've got this large, I've got a $10,000 position sitting in AUD USD in a low leverage long. Like I'd be comfortable then because then you're hedging, right? So I mean, Cappy and I were talking about options this morning, and Bybit allows you to have options at the moment. So like the world is like, we are so like, and it's fascinating, like talking to still my parents and whatnot about like digitizing the world. Like your son's a great example of that. Like they only know digitization. Like they don't even know physical things anymore. They see value in digital assets, in digital products, in digital companies. They don't see value in physical things anymore, right? So all these investors, all these people are still thinking like it's 2010, text and anything. No, dude, it's AI, it's on chain, it's literally like the fingertips, like your phone, it'll be plugged into a bloody Google eyeglass or something, Meta, like sunglass, whatever it's going to be. That is literally the future right now. You'll pull it up on your hand, it'll have a screen here. I don't know, who knows where the world's heading. You'll have chips. I probably would never get a chip, but you might have chips in your body, right? Like the world is heading in that direction. Gaming is huge. Entertainment in that industry. We've seen the bloody hyper gambling trends. Like if you aren't positioning for the digitization of everything, you're going to be wondering why you're so poor in 10 years time.
No, very much so. And I think about it this way. I think about when crypto kind of came along and kind of, started eating industries. You can't stop it. It's like a virus. Bitcoin, it's a virus essentially, that a financial vehicle, a virus that was released that can't be stopped. And I think about it that way now for the AI part of it. It's just going to eat everything, and kind of crypto and AI is like the perfect fusion. Like I said yesterday on stream, I don't think they compete necessarily. I think they actually marry up really nicely. We're like, I'm so excited. You and me are running a show. Oh, I get so pumped, dude. I actually too pumped. I get really excited. I love the fact we're on the tippy tip of innovation. I just can't believe I'm actually. I feel really blessed, bro. I feel really.
Oh, dude, that's literally the point I was going to say. We are so lucky. We are so lucky. And if you're watching this show, you are so lucky to be where we are today with the knowledge that we know and the industry that we're in, because this is it. Like this is the .com bubble happening in real time. We're about to see the next Amazons, the Googles, the Nvidias come in the next 5 to 10 years. That next wave of innovation of tech, whether that's AI, whether it's blockchain, whether it's an integration of both. Bitcoin potentially being up there as that real safe haven digital asset. Okay, we've just seen in Dubai, like people having to leave. Like you can take your bloody Bitcoin anywhere in the world, right? You can't take your physical gold, your silver, your house, like your products, your goods at home. Like it just makes so much sense from a real simplistic point of view. Okay, if it's a fight against inflation, you go to countries in Africa. My wife obviously grew up in Zimbabwe.
That's
We
right.
went there one time, and her cousins like literally had money in the bank in USD, and they changed it to the Zim dollar without their regular, because it's corrupt, bro. So like something like Bitcoin or alcohol is how they were storing their wealth there, right? Buying alcohol because it retains value. Like unless you are thinking about it from a super zoomed out macro perspective, you're going to miss one of the most obvious trades and probably the most like best opportunities, 5 to 10 opportunities in the next decade, Craig. There'll be billionaires made in the next 10 years. Like from people like sitting at home just because they can capture some of these trends.
Yeah, some of the next big money makers ahead are going to be just people sitting in their office, in their lounge, in their mum's basement, and they're going to end up making very, very large amounts of money. I mean, you've got all these kids playing Roblox on iPads now. They're going to all be trading, bro. They are all going to be trading. My son's 9 now. I almost can guarantee by the time he's 14 to 16, he'll be trading on his iPad or on a digital device very, very easily with a good understanding of tech. And I think what's going to happen, dude, is our kids in a decade to come are going to say to their parents, how did you miss .com 2.0? How did you you miss it? Same as the internet. Like I think about, I was a bit too young to take advantage of the internet, not using it, but betting on it, gambling on it, investing in it. I couldn't. I was too young. I was like young as. I wasn't interested anyway, right? I just want to play games and that sort of thing. But
we caught crypto. We caught crypto.
And that was the next innovation after. There.
Yeah.
But it's just like how phenomenal that I get to sit at home making money and I have no reliance on anyone anymore. And that's where I found crypto freed me, because man, thank God for crypto. I would have been stuck in a corporate job, getting held back by my manager, because obviously your manager doesn't want you coming up because then you take their job. So your manager is actually incentivized to kind of keep you lower. And then you're capped financially, and then inflation's going to the roof. I mean, I know everyone listening to this feels this because you're in that position, most of you. It's hard. It's really hard. And trading and crypto just gives you this window of opportunity that we just never had 2 decades ago. This just wasn't an option. You could buy gold, you could buy silver, but it was niggly. Or a house, but that's hard. You can't flip houses easily, as you found out. It's a nightmare, dude.
I'm worried. This whole war stuff has got me worried about rates now. It's like far out. Like rates could easily go up 1-2%. I'm like, holy shit, that's not good.
No,
moving on to that particular topic, AI. I was going to say meme coins, but I'm going to say AI tokens because they're not necessarily a meme. They are going crazy right now over on Base. So this is something I alluded to in G2G this morning as well, is to keep this sort of narrative on your radar. And Base particularly, we've seen the virtual ecosystem do really well. We obviously saw other agents do really well in 24. But what we've noticed is that consistently there's always better and consistent opportunities on Base compared to Solana when it comes to AI plays, AI narratives, all that sort of stuff. Like most of the, I'm going to call it vaporware that's launched on Solana goes to zero because it is vaporware, it's bundled, it's manipulated, it's scammed. Whereas this is a lot more organic and authentic because it's over on Base. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on this. But this, just to reiterate what this is VVV, which Zeneca, obviously, who's going to be on our show in about 10 days' time, he wrote an article about this in his newsletter as well. But basically, this is one of the largest default models for OpenClaw. This is because of their privacy-first interface. But basically, this Ask Venice, and I mean, he writes about it here. So he talks about what is Venice AI, what is the token, blah, blah, blah. So you can go read that if you'd like as well. But this is basically a private, uncensored AI, Venice AI. If you go to the website, if it just pulls it up right now, like it has an inbuilt AI already in their privacy as well. Like privacy or anonymously accessing leading models across Codex on ChatGPT, Claude, Sonnet, Claude Opus as well, updates. Like it has AI images as well in here. Like the world is moving at such a fast pace. If you do not keep up, you're going to miss opportunities like this. And literally this token has done a 3.5x in just the past 3 weeks, Craig. So that is obviously backed, again, another opportunity as well overnight, a 2x literally overnight on Faye, which is something similar to what Venice is kind of underpinning. But I just wanted to bring this to everyone's attention to keep an eye on AI low cap tokens in crypto, because that narrative, as we said at the start of the show, near pumping, virtuals pumping, like it is the obvious narrative. How can you get exposure to that? or how can you actively trade those trends? We'll be talking about it live on the show. So drop a sub or drop a follow if you're new here, guys. But these are the things that it just makes me bullish. Crypto's in an interesting spot. There's always going to be opportunities, there's going to be trends, but this sort of stuff still happening, Craig's. It actually makes me confident that there will be plenty of money making opportunities later this year and into 2027.
I wanted to ask you, Greeny, why base? Why are they going to base? I'm noticing
EVM's probably easy to build on, maybe like in terms of the integration of the token with AI compared to Rust or whatever they use on site. I'm not a dev, so I might be out of context here.
I think you might be right with Rust.
Yeah. EVM is I mean, just look at like Solana doesn't have L2s, 3s, blah, 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 right? EVM is compatible for a lot of different things, right? So I would say it's probably that. I would also say it's the manipulation of Solana, bro. Like no one, like I would, if I was launching a token, which I would never do, don't get any ideas. Launch a token, there's no way I would launch on Solana, bro. Like there's just no way I would do that. Like maybe in 23 or early 2024, I would consider it. But no way, bro. And I mean, just think about it too. Like the best meme coins this cycle, Craig, they were on ETH. Pepe, okay. What are the other ones? Whiff was on Sol. I can't remember the other. SBX. That's the other one I was trying to think.
Joe's on ETH.
Yeah, like there was so many runners on Ethereum compared to Solana that had a way better liquidity pool, had a way better community, way better to trade than the Solana manipulation pump and dump. So that's probably the reason
as well on Ethereum.
Again,
I want to say the behavior of traders on Ethereum would lead me to believe they've got more money.
Well, yes, and it's just more organic, right? It's not manipulated. And lastly, Base still has an airdrop, so they're probably farming the airdrop too, I would say.
Yeah, I kind of stayed away from Base because I don't know, man. I always had this like, it's a preconceived judgment of them. There was quite a shite chain. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the branding or what made my mindset say that. So I kind of avoided Base. Probably because Mother Effer launched on there and it absolutely destroyed me. Man, that could have shite. And so I had this like internal dislike for the chain, which is silly, right? Which is silly.
Yeah.
And then seeing these pop off, I'm like, man, I probably need to change my bias here.
Yeah, no, I think like it's a big lesson, okay? Don't let your emotions get the better of you. Like that's and I'm not talking to you specifically, I'm talking to anybody who's watching. Like a good lesson in life is to try and like, if you stop caring about what people think, if you stop caring about how people perceive you, you will unlock a beast inside of you and you will succeed because you don't care anymore. But it's so hard for people to get there. I know plenty of people that struggle with it at a deeper level, mentally, depression, anxiety, like OCD. Like I know a lot of people that have those sort of things. So it is hard. And I'm lucky that I mean, shout out to my parents for raising me, shout out to my life for all the failure, all the mistakes, because that probably shaped me to be the person that I have today, where I have a real step back sort of mindset and perspective compared to where I was like even just like 5 years ago. It's pretty crazy. So we'll move on to a couple more trending topics, and then we will move into ripping some Zeet creator packs live on the show. Hopefully I get a legendary greenie. That would be dope. Dude. That'd be dope, bro. So SpaceX $545 million Bitcoin bet set for Spotlight in record IPO. So basically their IPO is coming soon, filing as early as March with a potential $1.7 trillion. I can't even comprehend 10 million, let alone a billion, let alone a trillion, which would surpass Saudi Marco's record for the largest offering. The filing will reveal SpaceX holding of 8,000 Bitcoin worth approximately 550 million or just shy, a position that has remained largely unchanged since early 2026. I mean, Tesla owns Bitcoin, SpaceX owns Bitcoin. You got to have it on your rap sheet. You got to have it on your. You can't be holding cash these days. You got to be holding some Bitcoin at least. Is what a lot of these founders are currently doing. Yeah,
I remember. I mean, you'll remember in 21 when who was it? It was Tesla bought Bitcoin.
It was Tesla. Yeah, it was
and
Tesla.
It's man, that was like, I still remember it now, man. People went absolutely berserk. Like it was just the biggest thing. And now companies owning Bitcoin it's cool, but it's not. It's funny how quickly we get used to things, isn't it? Like now SpaceX owns it. Back in the day, articles like this probably would have moved the needle a little bit. It's probably good it doesn't now, to be honest. In a way, it's less volatile, which I kind of like. But it just shows you, for the people that have been here a while, have probably got a bit jaded. We are moving forward. we are moving forward. It may not look like that when price goes down and we're sitting at 68K, but we really have, I mean, bro, the top of last bull run was 69.
Yeah.
That was the top. Like, and we were rejoicing. I was like, hallelujah. Like, this is amazing. Now 68, we're like, nah, not very good. 3 years ago, I was like,
it's a problem with society, man. It's the TikTok brain, bro. Like, everyone only has a 3-second brain now because of attention. Like, it's I mean, I probably suffer from it as well. Like, my attention, I mean, I love long form. Like, I'm a long form guy. Like, I hate reels. I hate TikToks. Like, I'm a long form guy. I'll much rather sit down and watch an hour-long YouTube video than sit down and scroll 50 reels in 10 minutes, right? So I think it probably falls into that category too, Craig, of attention.
Yeah, it's no, you're right. And all the kids now, unfortunately, are consuming short form content, and it's going to have a really negative effect on their little brains, which is quite bad, right? Yeah,
it just shows me there's huge upside to long form content creation. It just proves
you can't learn off short form.
No, you literally can't, bro. As a qualified teacher over here, you can't.
Yes.
Like, there's no fast way to learning. There's no fast way to making money. There's no fast way to learning. Okay, you gotta dig in. Okay, you gotta dig in. Last topic today before we do rip some packs. Mount Gox. Okay, this is. I mean, do you want to bring this to our attention, Craig? Talk me through this process. So, what's happening here? What's happening here?
I mean, my understanding of this is a bit limited because I don't exactly understand how you hard fork it to then get the lost funds. Yeah. But there's obviously a whole bunch of Bitcoin they can't get access to. But if they fork it, they can. I'm not sure exactly where it's stuck though. But they want to move it to Japan's rehabilitation process. I didn't even know any of this existed when I read it, dude. I was like, what are they even talking about? So basically, because they've lost access to they don't have access to the seed phrase where all that Bitcoin's stuck. So they want a hard fork to then release it, get it to this Japan rehabilitation process, and then I guess funnel it back into Bitcoin.
Yeah, right back.
I don't
know. I'm not a dev, bro. I just trade charts. I just look at price.
Is this bullish or bearish that you can do this?
I don't know. Remember when? Oh no, you weren't around. But Bitcoin had a hard fork in like 2018 or
BTC Cash.
Is that what? Yeah. So is that what Bitcoin? What is the purpose of Bitcoin Cash? I don't even know.
I think they had a fallout. I think a few of the devs had a fallout. A few of them decided to go that route. Because they wanted things to be done differently within the code. Obviously, I'm probably using jargon here that devs are going to be, Craig, you're an idiot. My limited understanding was there was a disagreement back in the day. There we go. In 2017, they forked it because they wanted to go a different direction. Thankfully, they got left to their own devices. Most devs stayed with the main Bitcoin we know and love today. I'm a fan of not forking Bitcoin at all, bro. I think leave it alone. The more humans need to keep these sticky.
If you missed it, you missed it, bro. Okay, just accept that you suck. You missed it. Okay, you
put
suck.
a new name on it.
Exactly.
And although in saying that, I will dovetail and say I understand that maybe forks have to not forks. Additions have to be made to future-proof with quantum computing coming. That I understand, and apparently the devs are really looking at that. I'm all for because that protects the network. But obviously this was a bit of a what's the word you can a coup, or is that a coup? A coup where a chicken coop. But I find this weird. I mean, users were actually, man, Gox, a lot of people were affected by this. Do we want this fixed? I just think it starts to. One of the benefits, I think, or one of the greatest things about Bitcoin is you can't F with it. That has consequences. If you lose your Bitcoin, which I've done, you can't get it back. But I kind of think that's a good thing in a way. I don't know if I'm on the right track here, but it makes me nervous messing around with this stuff, man. But maybe I'm just like old and I don't get it. And maybe, what's your thoughts, Greenie? Does this make you edgy?
Yeah, no, look, I'm bullish on Bitcoin specifically because you can't do anything to it, right? But it makes sense if I understand Bitcoin Cash now from the perspective of the devs wanting to go a different direction. They don't believe in the vision, blah, blah. That's fair. I'm glad it didn't obviously take off. You can still trade it. I know plenty of people in GTG still trade it. This I just don't understand. I'm just not a coder. I'm not a dev. I can't even comprehend how you can like what does a fork even mean? Like I don't get that from a tech standpoint. So I'd rather just trade what's given to me as opportunities. So we'll get a daily close in about 3 minutes. It looks like the daily close will be around 68.7. So not as bullish as you would have probably want to see, back towards 69. But yeah, definitely keeping an eye on this, Craig, because I definitely want to look for potential shorts if we do get back up to that 70K region. I've got a long, obviously, from 63. Look to take full profits around 70.7, I think my target is. At the top of this range. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. Monday range high, potentially get a distribution above, and then you do squiggly lines like this, and then you trade back below. So yeah, I'll be keeping an eye on what happens over here. Craig, let's rip some packs, bro. Let's have some fun on the stream. We haven't had fun like this in such a long time. Now, before we dive in, we are seeing live right now that people are buying packs right now for a couple $100 of legendary. So Zeek creator packs. So for those people that maybe don't know what Zeek creator packs is, but it's a creator platform. It's like Pokemon cards, baseball cards, collector cards, right? But rather than the card being based on a baseball player or based on a Pokemon, it's based on a content creator. Now, my understanding for Zeed is it's going to be external to crypto Twitter. It's going to be creators who are on YouTube, creators on TikTok, creators on Instagram, creators maybe with newsletters. I'm not 100% sure how they're going to metric all of this, but that is my understanding about where this potentially is heading. So as a creator who has followers across particularly YouTube and Twitter, this is exciting, Craig, and that fits into your category as well. We're going to rip some packs. Craig's going to rip his first because I've got legendary packs. We're going to wait on those. It was really fun. I actually enjoyed the spin. So basically how it worked is you needed to go and spin. If you wanted to mint more packs, you had to go and win the Zeets and win the extra packs in here to then basically mint the packs that you have. I max minted rare and I max minted legendary at like midnight last night. Very happy that I did because they're sold out.
You're right.
Yeah, they're already trading on secondary. Okay, floor is around $1 for an entry. So I mean, if you're feeling like you're not involved, go to OpenSea right now and literally find a creator you want to own and just see how it goes. So we'll have a quick look at my current. So last sale,
legendary greenie out there already.
Yeah, there's 3 legendary greenies out there. So I had a look at their abstract profile. I don't know any of them, so I can't do a direct deal.
Right?
No. But if you have a look, last sale, someone bought a greenie rare for $60. There's only 15 of the supply. Last sale was a $15 for greenie common. No sales for greenie legendary right now. I'll pull up Craig's as well on the stream, and then we'll pull up our friend Eli as well. So Craig only has, so Craig doesn't have a legendary. Maybe that's why the rare sold really nicely at 81 and only 8 too. That's pretty good for rare. So do you have is there any for sale or not? No, there's none.
Friend Tech 2.0, baby. We're going to do it all over again.
But I mean, like last sale, $10 and someone's got one list. Is that you listing it for $60 or something?
No, I gave all mine away. Away.
Okay, cool. So
the good news is distribution is beautiful on my pack, guys. So get amongst it. Distribution is fantastic.
So there's been 4 sales on yours, and there has been.
Yeah, I got dumped, bro. I got dumped early on for one of them for $1.60.
Dude, some people did well, like $14 on a common, bro. Like someone sold a common for $1.23. Idiot.
I sold one of mine.
This person 14x'd you, bro. Like, oh, dude, people are dumb, bro. People are dumb.
I just want to explain a couple of things here as well, or my limited knowledge is I believe if you own the person's card, you can partake in, they can form squads. Okay. Then when companies want to do I'm going to use loose words here, a promo and there's rewards, you will earn a percentage of rewards based on what the creator earns from said campaign. So you can. So the good thing is, if you're not a creator or you're not an influencer or you're not one of those people that can get, like Greenie's fantastic at this, guys, by the way. I'm just going to give Greenie a quick shill. Get a Greenie card. He's got great metrics on you. Like if you click on the card, it will actually tell you where you sit in InfoFi campaigns. Yours are phenomenal, man. Mine are not phenomenal. I didn't really attack this as much as I should have. Greenie went pretty ham on this for a while. So what I'm saying is, if the creator is very good at earning rewards from campaigns, I believe the people that own his cards who are in a squad will earn a percentage of said gains, which I think is pretty cool, dude, for those people who can't.
That is cool.
who can't capture InfoFi rewards, now you can piggyback on Greenie. I reckon that's cool, dude. Everybody wins, right?
Piggyback off all my hard work and get a percentage of it.
I want to piggyback off Greenie, so I'll be looking to buy a rare. I don't know if I can afford a legendary. I saw some legendaries go for about 400.
Yeah. Vo, ISO, a few others, I think, went for a couple hundred.
InfoFi classic people. I'm going to smoke them.
Hey guys, don't forget, CT is one opportunity. Okay, don't forget that. Okay.
Yes.
Craig, how do you talk to your squad? Because I don't know how to do that. How do I talk to my squad?
Go to your profile. Oh, they go to Squad Hub up the top there.
Where?
Just below your PFP.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, okay.
So you can see the message. There's no one in there, but I believe that's because there's no campaign live. So I think when campaigns go live, you'll be able to talk. And that actually, what you can do is you can link your Telegram, and it will actually create a Telegram group where only your squads can view it if people prefer to talk in Telegram. So I don't mind that. I don't mind that.
This is pretty good tech, bro.
It's not bad. I'm going to shout out to Pons and the crew there. Look, it's a big circle jerk. I get it, right? But I think
it's a bit of fun, bro, in a bear market. I like that.
We need this, man. I need this.
Indirectly, if you guys can take part, if you're a viewer of the channel, you can literally take part in this process, have some fun, trade some of the cards. We'll be talking about it probably pretty frequently. Do you want to rip your cards? Do you want to share your screen?
Try screen share?
Yeah.
God, I haven't done this for a while. Let's go. Craigie boy in the driver's seat. How are we looking? Can you see me, Greenie?
Yeah, 1 second. There we go. Hold on. All right, there we go. Now we're good. All right, zoom in a little bit.
Look at that handsome man.
Zoom in for a little.
All right. So, do you want me to start?
Zoom in for a little bit, please. Zoom in.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, now we're cooking.
Do you want me to
now we're cooking. Now we go. Hey, yeah. So there we go.
All right.
There we go.
I'm going to start at the lame one.
Are you going to get someone random, bro? Does it have volume?
Let me just see if this goes through. Hopefully you can't see that. Hopefully it just gives my.
No, it didn't go through. Oh,
hang on. Did you? I'm just putting my code in. You
got to share. No, I didn't share. It didn't share you. It's a separate pop up. Share again, and the Zeet screen will be fine because it's just it's a separate prop up. Yeah, so you should be sweet. Yeah.
Hang on. Okay, I'll do it again. My bad, guys.
All right, here we go. First pack. Here we go.
Come
Generating
on,
come on. The anxiety's getting me, Craig. The common card. I can't wait to see a common. Oh, here we go. Who you got? Do we know him? Do we know this person?
Come on.
Dude, it's so glitchy. Is that just me?
Moving, but slow. Tap to flip.
Oh, hold on. I might have turned you down. Oopsie. Sorry. Hold on. Okay. I turned you down. Okay, I turned you down. No, I had the wrong one over. Sorry, guys.
I've got car test. Whoever car test is. Can you see it?
Congrats. Let's go. W's in the chat.
Car test.
All right, let's go rare. Okay. Now, you don't absolutely guarantee rare, okay? It's like, what was the percentage? 30% rare, I think you get, or 40%? 30% from memory?
Yeah, a 30, I think.
Let me check. Okay, yeah, 30% potential. So you get one slot as a common. You get 3 cards for this one. You get 1 common and 70% chance that the other 2 are common. Oh, the odds are not in your favor, bro.
Here's the rare pack. Hopefully it's coming through for you guys.
I hope you get a greenie, bro. I hope you pull a greenie.
Same. That'd be beautiful. Or Zach would be good.
Yes, I want someone that's, different. I want a Jack legendary. That's what I want, bro.
All right, here we go.
Oh, here we go. Okay, sick. That's okay. Master Chief, that's not too bad. He's
I get more?
Yeah, you get 2 more.
Ruled out.
Haven't heard of him. Sorry, legend.
One last one.
Rare. Oh, you got a
rare. Let's go, Dogfather. I think that's a Bitcoin bull. That's a Bitcoin ninja.
Oh yeah, we follow each other. He's got 24,000 followers, Craig. There you go.
I'll open my last. I think I've got 1 more rare, and then we'll go over to you, Greenie.
Oh, he creates stuff on YouTube as well. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, that's probably not a bad one. I have heard of him.
Random. Yeah, like random. Like again, we would like doesn't come on my timeline, so that's kind of cool. That's cool. This is cool.
Let's go, baby. So, Greenie, we're not guaranteed rares on this, are we?
No, so you got one. So that's pretty good. 30% that you got one. Pretty good.
All right, let's go. Open up. Here we go. Oh, no. Common.
Never heard of you, bruv.
Yeah, sorry, bro. Here we go. Oh, no, I'm a lady.
I don't know that person. It's common, but he's a big dog. He's a big dog. He's got 130. Yeah, he's got 130,000 followers. Yeah.
Okay.
Crypto, right. Yeah, crypto can't. I'll pull him up. I'll pull him up on stream. Hold on. Crypto with. Yeah, he's a big dog. Big dog.
I'll smash this out quickly. I'll do it now.
80. He's got 80. He's got 80,000 followers. 80,000.
I'll just skip the opening on these last ones.
Yeah.
E.g., you can fast forward, I think, to what you got because there's only one per pack here, I think.
Yeah, common. For these are commons as well.
Yeah. So this is going to be. Hopefully, I get like a walls. I think I would be.
Walls. Yeah. That'd be cool.
Come on, do it fast. I wonder if I hit skip, if it'll just show me it. Yeah, that's quicker. Lost me.
Dude, lost me. That's good. That's a good card to get. That is a good card to get, bro.
Okay.
He's been viral. He's been viral like recently, very recently.
Okay, let's go. Last pack, guys. Last pack, and we'll get on to greenies.
You've done well. You've done well for not having many zeets.
I know. I've still got 1,000 zeets, guys. 1,200. I might do some spins later and try get another rare pack.
Do it, definitely. Apparently all my cards.
Here we go.
I think I have seen that person before on the timeline.
Wrong to. Oh,
maybe not. I got 15K followers, bro. So random dev, he has InfoFi in his. Oh my god, his pin tweet has 430K followers. Sorry, engagement. I mean, it's not a bad. It's not. Dude, you've done okay. You've done okay, guys. If you are watching YouTube, yeah, guys, if you are watching on YouTube, feel free to leave. We're obviously gonna open some Z packs, which are creator cards. It's a bit of a fun fantasy game. So if you, thanks for tuning in. Drop a follow, drop a sub. Normal show always at the start, and then we'll do a bit of fun at the end here for the next maybe 20 minutes or so. So I gotta open mine now, Craig. Now I've just been rugged. On my profile. Hold on.
I've just been rugged. They're all gone.
Yeah, my when I come to here, like my cards are all gone. My 20 cards that I had are all gone.
Go to packs. Go to packs.
No. I know the packs are gone, but the cards that I already had from the first step are all gone.
Oh yeah.
I just want to go to my profile. How do I go to my profile here? I want my abstract profile, please.
Master Chief, let's go.
How do I go to my profile on OpenSea?
You can connect it to your abstract and then look at it through there.
Yeah. Why is it? No, it's still connecting to my EVM wallet, not my abstract wallet, which is annoying. So I can't actually look. Oh, hold on. I can just grab my. What's my wallet? Hold on. Sorry, chat. Just a sec. All right, so this is who I currently have. We put this in. Hello. Oh, I doubled up my name. Okay. Well, there you go. All right, sweet. So here we go. So this is who I currently have already. So I've got Chez's. I've got myself as a comment. I've got Lee Hyperliquid. I went hard. I went and found some good creators. FFE. I've got whatever. So man or whatever man. Riddler, Julia, Fogo, Bo from Penguin Security. I've got Jack as well. I want a Jack legendary, bro. Actually, I need to go look at that. Right. Kieran, I've got yours. Got Eli's comment. I've got my rare one here. I want to hold on. I want to just see if there's a Jack. I will buy this straight away. Live on the $49. I'm buying it, bro. I'm literally buying it right now.
Get out of it.
Hopefully I have enough money in those accounts. Oh, is this on EVM? No. I don't want to buy with my EVM wallet. I don't know, bro. I don't know what's happening here, but I'm buying it. All right, we got a rare of Jack. Let's go. Shout out to Jack.
Jack is a good buy, I reckon.
Yeah. Without a doubt, he is there's no one better that I would probably want, to be honest.
No.
Okay, so that worked. But now it's gone back to my see, I just bought on my EVM wallet. What the fuck? Why? Okay, no one bought a rare one. That's a no-brainer, bro. That's a no-brainer. Okay, well, I don't know what's happening. Okay, maybe hold on. Oh, now I can click. Okay. Oh, dude, I messed up. It's not. I'm gonna have to send it. Wait, is this on ETH? How did I buy that? Oh, because it's abstract. Oh, dude, OpenSea's so annoying. What was that, bro?
That's my dog going mental. I don't know why he did that.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right, cool. So anyways, let's go rip some packs. Yeah, anyways, you can't see my deck cards anymore. That's why I just want to show on OpenSea who I've got. So we'll refresh it one more time. All right, let's rip some packs, great. We got 20 to open, bro. So anyone who's tuning in, we got 20. We're gonna do the rares first, and then we'll do the legendaries after. Okay, here we go. First one,
man.
maybe a bit too zoomed in. Yeah, let's go. Is this gonna make me do a hold on. It's gonna make me do a approve. I'm gonna put my code in. Where's my code? All right, it's resetting. 25 selects. All right, we're in. All right, we should be good to rip. So it costs 4 cents to mint. Oh my god, bro! I'm gonna be spending a. Wait, what? EE ends with is not a function. What happened? Maybe I have to do it again. And you're muted.
Yeah, I know. I'm raging my dog. There we go.
Okay, all right. It didn't work the first time. I'll try again. Wasted 4 cents. Thanks. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Let's go.
Holy shit, that is loud. Holy shit, that is loud. Diego, congrats, Diego. Punching Penguin fellow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, cool. Oh, dude. Okay, Ashley Common. That's pretty good. I'll take that. I'll take that. She's huge. Oh, dude, no way. I'm cooked with those. Let's go. Let's go. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked, bro. Okay. Those two last ones, they're your two biggest female creators literally in crypto. So
yeah,
GG's. Outside like Wendy or someone. But Wendy's not going to be on this. But like, dude, they're two huge CT. Okay, GG's, bro. Let's go. Cooking, bro. Let's go. And
that'll be worth a little bit of money, I reckon, a rare vote.
I could probably sell it. Yeah, I probably won't. That's pretty good, dude. That's pretty good. All right,
well, your milk was pretty good, I reckon.
Wait, it said it opened a pack for 8. Oh, I don't know what happened. The first one rugged me, bro. The first one rugged me. I might have to go to my OpenSea account and check again whether it rugged me or not. It actually
opened it, yeah.
My accountant's gonna be like, "What the hell is happening, bro?" Yeah, it did. It did rug me. I'm gonna have to open. Hold on. I'm gonna have to open this on OpenSea now.
What a pain in the ass.
Okay, can I skip this? Thank you. All right, here we go. Yes. Oh, dude, I'm cooking, bro. Let's go. I'm cooking, bro. Hold on. Dude, that's huge. Okay, dude, that's 3 out of 4. I know, and they're all big creators. Hold on. I'm just gonna go back to my wallet. Hold on. So just to see who else we missed. Oh, wait, is this minting on ETH or is this minting on abstract?
It should be abstract, I think.
What? Okay, so my first round was Master Chief, same as you, common, Green Knight, common, and some person rare, and Leod rare. Okay, so that was my first round.
Okay.
And now, wait, what? Oh, it's already. Maybe I've accidentally. Hold on, I don't know. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, I need to get off OpenSea. It's spoiling the fun. It's spoiling the live fun. Okay. Master Chief. Okay, yes. Okay, get off OpenSea, Greeny. Come on. See, okay. 7. Yeah, it's rugby on one of them. It's rugby on one of them because we've only opened 2. Okay, this is getting annoying that you have to do a transaction thing every time. Yeah, wish you could just 4 cents, bro. 4 cents times 40. That's 40 cents gone, bro. That's $1 gone just to mint these bloody packs. My accountant's gonna have a field day. Greeny, you're paying the extra amounts because you got extra amount of transactions. Thanks, Abstract. Thanks. Okay, here we go. Okay, Sega boat. Not bad. I'll take it. Tat Tang, haven't heard of him. Let's or them, they or her.
Spit on Tack Tang.
They follow me. 8,400 followers. Not bad. Okay, cool. Tony, never heard of you, brother. Good luck.
Tony.
Well, I mean, I'm the good luck because I'm the one that needs to have his car.
Let's go.
Let's have a look. Why is Easy live right now? That's weird.
Must be opening Zeke packs.
Yeah, because that's what he's doing right now with his live. All right, let's go. Andrew, never heard of you. Sorry. Looking good, looking good. Oh,
hey!
wow. Oh, dude, I'm cooking, bro. Let's go. I'm cooking.
What the hell?
Dude, I'm cooking, bro. I'm
beast
cooking.
cut. Wowzers.
I'm cooking, bro. Pix rare as well. Let's go, bro. Absolutely cooking, bro. Absolutely cooking. What's Pix's username? I can't even find that person.
Next, you'll bloody pull a Vitalik card, man.
Yeah, bro. Give me an Ansem card. Give me an Ansem card.
Ansem would be.
Pix, I don't follow Pix, but cheers for the card, brother. Cheers for the card. All right, we're moving. Dude, I'm cooking. And I'm only halfway through my rare cards, Greg.
Sickening. Absolutely sickening.
Should have been a Zeta. Should have been a Zeta. Another 4 cents gone.
Let's go. You got quite a few rares in those packs, man.
Dude, that was 2 rares and a whale rare. Let's go. Cooking, bruv. Cooking.
Yeah, you got paid. You got paid.
Oh my god. Okay, don't know that person. Don't know that person. That was a shit one. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I was overdue for a shit round. I was overdue for a shit round. This is fun, bro. I can understand why people get into cards. I can understand it.
I used to love ripping packs, bro. It's so fun, but you lose so much money.
So what do you think? Is the play just to dump the ones that you'd never heard of? Like what do you think? Schweppes? Oh, dude, is that the guy who who clips us? Oh, let's go. Let's go, bro.
Card. He's a legend. He's a good dude, bro. He's such a good guy.
Never heard of that person. Oh, dude, we're getting rugged now. Three commons. Come on. Hey, I spent good hard cash on these cards, bro. Good hard cash.
All right, let's send Greeny some good luck here. Come on, Greeny. Let's get another
give
rare.
Me some rares. Another 2 rares.
Rare.
You can't be unhappy with Vo rare and Whale rare, bro. That's
disgusting, man. That's probably your top 10.
It literally is, bro. Okay, some of these people, I've never heard of any of those. So we're getting comments now. Okay, we're getting rugged. We're getting rugged.
The algorithms.
Can't wait to do my legendary packs, though. Can't wait to do my legendary. Come on, give me some legendaries, please, please, please. Put it in the ether. Bullish, bullish, bullish ether. Come on, pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. All right, here we go. Second last one. Don't know that person. Don't know that person. Oh, dude. Tony again, bro. Okay, last one. Dude, stop giving me comments. Stop giving me comments.
This is so funny, bro.
All right, I'm excited for rare now. I'm excited for rare.
I think you're going to cop a beast soon, bro.
No, legendary. Wait, is it ISO or do I dump it?
First offer, $1.60. Here we go. Wilson.
Oh, operated rare, bro. Let's go. That's good. Cool. That's a good card as well. Berated rare. I don't follow him, but yeah, he's I mean, that's a sick profile.
That's really cool. I've seen it on the timeline. It's cool.
What is that?
I don't know what that is. Maybe a custom, but it looks sick. When I see it on the timeline, I always look at it. I'm always like, what's that?
Sick. Maybe it's maybe it is custom art. I like that. All right, I'm gonna give him a follow. Dude, that's sick. Okay, that's a good pull. I'm happy with that.
Green people on Abstract enjoying your pack pull, by the way.
Let's go, bros. Let's go.
Legendary packs. God, greedy.
Yeah, bro, we're cooking it. All right, we got 612 watching across Twitter and Abstract.
Nice. Let's go.
Carry us on your back is awesome. Yeah, I will, bro. All right, here we go. Legendary packs. 5 cards. You get 5 cards per pack. I've got 10 of them. Let's absolutely cook. Here. Another 4 cents down the drain. Hey, you can flip the 4 cents for like $1 top offer. I'm just gonna. Am I really just gonna go dump them all into the dollar bid screen?
I might. I think we get to burn them to increase rarity, possibly, so they may not go to waste.
Oh, maybe hold on to them. Oh my god, dude! I need the volume on that is way too loud. I skipped it. I literally skipped it for that. Okay, here we go. Pray for me. Legendary packs. Here we go. Legendary. All right, here we go. Oh, dude, what is that trash? Oh, dude, don't get out of here, bro. Two comments on a legendary. It makes me nervous. Okay. Do I know this person?
I've seen it a little bit, but I can't remember who that.
BU.
Bo.
OXBO. They have a Substack. They have a Substack. Okay, they write a bit. They yeah, okay. I mean, small creator.
Must be a mega ETH bull, huh?
Yeah. Another mega ETH bull. EL 1000. Oh my god, I'm not gonna try and read that. That's cool. Oh, dude, double Vo rare. I want a legendary, bro. I want a legendary. I don't want rares. Give me legendaries.
Dump it.
Okay, 2 Vo rares. Not too bad. That's not too bad. We'll take it.
You're in a good position with having 2 now, bro.
All right, we got 9 packs to go, chat. We got 9 packs to go on legendary. I need to stand up. I'm that excited. You know what? This is good for discoverability, not going to lie. Like, I don't know if everyone else is like me, where they are actually looking at the profiles that they're getting, or if they just sell them. All right, here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Ryan, don't know you, bruv. Yeah, maybe that profile looks familiar, but I don't know. Arda.
Abstract bull.
Vide Harlison. Did you get a Vide Harlison one? I think you did.
Yeah, I got a comment.
Okay, he follows. They follow me. 4,000 followers. Nice. Next rare. Oh, dude, I want a legendary. Come on. I don't know if I know this person. Okay, so he has the AP Collective badge. Has 17,000 followers. Okay, cool. Nice. Last one. Oh, dude, where's my legendary? Come on.
Untamed Adam, though. He's a good, good on you.
Is he a good floor? I don't know that person.
He follows me as well. Adam's heavily into AI.
Okay, cool. Nice.
And abstract. Yeah, legend.
Okay, cool. Nice. Oh, I'm still waiting for my first legendary, chat. Still waiting for it.
Surely you're going to get one.
Dude, surely out of how many do you open? Like 50 cards. Sure, the odds of you opening a legendary is like, isn't it like, what is the percentage? I can't remember.
So 10% maybe or less.
Yeah, shit. Come on, give me. Cartis again. Zaddy comment. Shout out to Zaddy who was on our show last week.
Good dude, man.
Kato. Never heard of them. Can't. Oh, yeah, there is. Kato XBT. 12K followers. Okay. I'm discovering people I've never even heard of. Ashley Rare. Yes, let's go. Happy with that. Happy with the rare. Want a rare? Definitely rare. Nice.
Very nice.
Morsey. I don't know Morsey. Do you know Morsey?
No, sort of, but not enough. I haven't engaged him.
Okay, big AI script. Okay, no. Oh, dude, Morsey's been cooking with engagement. Holy, bro. It looks like kind of an investigator content. Yeah, dude. Oh my god. 38K on like his last couple tweets. Oh my god, that's a cook. That is a cook in itself. Okay, sick. Happy with that. We got 7 to go. Still have not got a legendary. Come on, man. I'm getting rugged.
Surely.
Bro. Spending 4 cents to get rugged. Come on, give me a legendary. I feel it this round. Come on.
All right, legendary time.
Give me an Eli legendary and I'll dump it for $1.
Same.
Okay, I haven't heard of that person. Greedy comment.
Hey! Dump it. Dump it.
Sanjay, cook, bro. Another rare cook. That's good.
Another good. Rare. Sanjay's not bad.
Oh, let's go. I finally got a legendary, but who bearish? Is that the hold on.
Is that the actual collection?
Who is that?
Is that the bearish collection?
Is that the bearish collection?
What?
Oh my god, it's the bearish collection.
That's probably good.
What? 66K followers.
That's probably quite good, bro.
Dude, wait, what?
I didn't know a collection could get in there, but yeah.
I didn't know collections could get in there either. That's random, but okay, we'll take it.
Where's Pudgy?
And this person again with the rare. Let me just look them up really quickly. How do I even spell this? They TT? Yeah, no, they follow me. I don't know them, but they got 10K followers. Cool, dude. Cool. All right, nice. So we got our first legendary, the bearish. That's interesting, Craig. A collection. I was hoping for a creator. I mean, a collection's not bad because they get good engagement. So we'll take it. Yeah,
I agree.
We'll take it. First legendary. Give me at least 2 more legendaries, please. 3 legendaries. Come on. Putting that into the ether. Give me some luck. Give me some love.
Here we
Give me
go.
some love.
Let's see, baby. Yeah. Head boy.
Oh, I think I've seen this person before on the timeline. Oh, who is that, bro?
That's a badass PFP, though.
That is sick, bro. I've never heard of this person, though.
AG.
What's...
Good handle.
Dude, you can't... When they have such a small name, you literally can't find who they are. Oh, it'll tell me... What's their name? Oh, yeah, there we go. The AG NFT. I don't think I've ever seen this on my 13,000 coal manager KuCoin. KuCoin partner. Portuguese. Okay, sick.
Nice one.
Cool. Oh, there's your second legendary. Oh, we got a third legendary. Let's go. We got third legendary. Who's this? I don't know who this is either. Jesse Fries.
Let's go, Jesse Fries.
I don't know who that is. She's got 8,000 on Twitter, but tell me she has multiple hundreds of thousands on Instagram. Come on. Oh no, she's got 3,000 on Instagram. What's her engagement like on her videos though? Pretty decent. Thousands of views. Okay, cool. So she's a creator. Okay, sick. Happy to support new people. Okay, we'll take it. We've got a few legendaries now. We got 5 more to open, Craig. That's what? 4 legendaries. 4 legendaries.
Not bad. Yeah, I have to overlook what they're selling for the legendaries. That must be $100 plus.
No, I think it's cheaper than that. I think it's cheaper.
Oh, is it? Okay. Good time to sweep them, probably.
Give me someone I know as a legendary, please.
Yeah, just so you can crack up about it, eh? Common.
All right. Manny. Oh yeah, I've seen Manny on the timeline. Steak. Do you know that person?
No.
Oh,
no way!
Got the rare, and no comment.
Of all the cards to pull.
Beef. There's beef there, bro. There's beef there.
Oh, that's so funny. Dump
There's insecurity there. There's insecurity there from one party. Let's just say that. Right, moving on. We got 4 left or 3 left now. Sick. Dope.
Bro, you can't. Yeah, it's still big.
I'm happy. No, you've got I've got all the top creators now, except I've got Eli.
Not all of them. You haven't got all of them.
I haven't got Greenie. I haven't got a Greenie legendary yet though. All right, here we go.
What the? What the?
AG, dude, what's with all these small names, bro?
I think AG is quite big.
Geo on chain. Okay, we got some legendaries. We're cooking. AG has 18,000 followers. Cypherpunk founder of on-chain history. Interesting.
Maybe.
Holy hell, 1 million views on their pinned profile tweet. Where's their last tweet though? Show me their tweet. 9K on a Remilio. Okay, so they're going to get the Remilio engagement, which is good.
That is good.
Okay, these guys. Okay, this one cooks. Yeah, 20,000 on that engagement. Please read 77,000. Okay, this one cooks. This is a cook. That's a cook. Happy with that. Never heard of them. Cool. I've got 3 to go. Give me someone I know. Give me a Jack legendary, please.
Yeah, man.
Give me a Jack legendary, please. He's the one. He's the one account I want as a legendary, please.
Yeah, he will milk this really nicely.
Oh, no matter what, bro. He should be. You know what? I should send him a message and say he should be clipping on other social platforms as well.
Yeah.
I don't know if he does already.
Shan.
Okay, never heard. Okay, that was a subpar. I don't know any of them. Sorry. See, it's all in bubbles, man. CT is such a different niches of bubbles, and you don't know everyone. This is cool though. This is cool. It's cool to see new people, meet new people. All right, here we go. We got 2 left, Craig. This is the second last one. I posted about my legendary Greenie, and no one got back to me. Damn. All right, here we go. Pons with the comment. Let's go. Thanks, Pons. Shout out to Pons. Pio. Oh, okay, with the comment. Not bad. Western Union. Haven't heard of him. Never heard of him. Never heard of Jeff. Jeff, do you know Jeff?
No, you got a few rares though. That's right.
All right, here we go. The last pack, guys. Wish me luck. Give me someone. Give me an Eli
Green,
legendary.
green.
I want a legendary Eli so I can dump it for $1.
Oh, imagine the smell. Oh man,
I'd just do it for the engagement fun. That would be so fun. All right, here we go. The last pack of the day, guys. Here we go. Oh, common Zeet. Okay.
Oh,
Swanky, nice. Cabin, nice. All right, 2 cards ago. I'm feeling nervous.
same.
Ooh, another legendary. Let's go. Who's this person?
That's freaky.
G-U-I-G-S Luke.
Goys.
Wait. Oh, again, the shout out to they follow me. I don't know them. Yeah, smaller creator. Nice. All right, last card, Craig. Come on, give me something good. Give me a banger. Give me walls. Give me something good.
Craig's going first.
I have a feeling it's going to be super underwhelming, but here we go.
Come on.
Oh, let's go. It's not underwhelming. Let's go. Shout out live. Dude, we've absolutely cooked. I've done so well. Holy.
He is a legend.
Dude, I've literally got like...
Big love.
Oh my God, bro.
I chat with him a bit. He's in fact, I sent him a DM when these first came out. I've got his comment.
Yeah.
And he's funny. I'll tell you a little story. It's not that good, but it cracked me up. I was like, hey, bro, can I grab your comment? You can grab mine. And he goes, I don't even know what this shit is, man. But he got into it since then. But yeah, just a good bloke. Just a good guy.
Love that, bro. Love that. Hold on. Okay, now I'm going to...
You did pretty well,
dude,
bro.
I absolutely cooked there. Okay.
Like, Vo, Zia, Ashley...
94 cards in total.
Emails, actually.
Yeah, so I've got... Yeah, I mean, can we rank them by... no, you can't. Recently received.
Can you...
can I do highest offer? Yeah, highest offer. Here we go. So I've got Whale Rare, 1. I've got ISO Rare, 1.
Good one.
Zia Legendary, Bearish Legendary, Pons Common, which has got a pretty good offer as well. AG Legendary, Greenie. Well, that was the one I minted rare. I got 2 Vo rares. Eli Common at $10, Berated rare at $7.50, Ashley rare at $7, Sanjay at $6.50, Jeff at $3, and so on. So there you go. That's the top offers, Craig. So I've got a few. I mean, yeah, if they're legendary, like, wait, where are my other legendaries? I swear I had more than that, didn't I? You
probably got like 6.
Oh, maybe they don't have an offer. My apologies. Maybe they don't have an offer.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe they don't have an offer. Okay. How do I just put it on lowest floor? Yeah, okay. Here we go. We'll have a look. So yeah, I got 2 greenies. Got 2 greenies. You know what? That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. I bought the Jack rare card, which I think will be a good snipe as well. Yeah, there's my other ones. These creators down here. I don't know, Craig. Is it just, do you dump? Do you dump these cards in the dude? I'll have to make later today.
Yeah, you have to decide. I think a few of your legendaries had decent offers or prices on them. They're about 80 or something like that. So
I don't know if I'll sell those ones though. Like, that's the thing. Like, if we have a look at
they should get big rewards, the legendaries. I'm guessing their percentage of earnings will be higher.
Yeah.
Whereas I'm guessing commons would earn probably not much. But I think they may allow re-rolling or burning commons to up the rarity. But don't hold me to that, guys. I
wonder if you can like burn legendaries. I don't know. It'd be interesting.
Yeah. But I think Eli's going to rip some packs. How long?
Is he going live shortly? All right. Well, I might stop it there. It's been a great stream, guys.
Eli's going live in 10 minutes, which will be a crack up. I'm going to go give him so much shit.
That should be fun. Right. Yeah, thanks for hanging with us. Yeah, that was fun. Something a bit different. Creator cards. Let's see how we go. I didn't get a min though. I wanted a min. I don't know if he has cards and stuff like that. I wanted people like that. So these are all camel legendary, bro.
Jamesy, let's go. He probably listed that, the dirty dog.
Yeah. No. People are probably listing these across the board here. No one's listening to the Greenie legendary. They're rare, bro. They're rare. They're rare.
They know they're going to reap the rewards long term, man, on the flywheel.
Interesting. I don't know how many offers are in there. Are we just going to dump? How many offers are there? Oh no, it's quite a lot of offers. Quite a lot of offers. I don't know. Like, what's the better play? Like, just bulk. I mean, just sitting with what you have and waiting for more news, or is it taking the cash now while there is cash to be offered? Like, I don't know.
Ooh, yeah. I mean, me personally, I think I'll consolidate things into things I like.
That's what I would probably lean towards as well.
Yeah, I'd rather have 5 to 10 bangers than 30 to 50 just shite.
Yeah, same. That's why I bought, dude. I bought, where was it? The Jack one.
Yeah, the Jack Rare. That's a good buy.
Yeah,
I need it.
Yeah, right there.
Like, he will earn, I think, in campaigns, he'll probably go quite large.
Yeah. Oh, without a doubt. Without a doubt.
Like,
you just hope that's the way it goes. We don't know. We're speculating here, so we'll wait and see. Huge show. Thanks for tuning in. Massive shout out to our partners, BTCC. Guys, sign up down below. You get 10% deposit bonus, up to 30K rewards in the community once you sign up as well. 40% discounted fees, guys. You can trade, no KYC, no VPN. So America, welcome. You can trade on there as well. So massive shout out to them as well, Craig. Craig, mate, have a lovely Tuesday. And we'll be back again live tomorrow, same time, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard, 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard. Thanks for hanging with us, guys. We very much appreciate it.
Thanks, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, Greenie. Thanks.